Blogger just got smarter with a new features. Google just added Google search link features to Blogger. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works and why it is awesome. But before I dive in, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop your opinion in the comment section. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to log into your Blogger account, and when this afternoon I log into my Blogger account, and when I log into my Blogger account, I receive this notification. Now the notification says try our new beta features, create more engaging reading experience with the help of Google search links. Based on your blog content, Blogger will automatically identify keywords and phrases in your post and insert search link in case your reader want to explore more. In compose view, look for the pencil icon on the top right of the page to get started. So I will show you how to use these features on Blogger. So let's go back to Blogger account. So once you come to your Blogger, once you log into your Blogger account, you can click on this plus icon right here to start writing a new blog post, or you can edit your existing blog post to use the feature. So once you are in the compose mode of your Blogger, you will locate a pencil icon like this. So this is the new feature. This pencil icon, if you click on it, if you click on this pencil icon, it will automatically insert links to this blog post. It will automatically insert link to it. As you can see, I only have two links on this blog post. So let's try it out. So if I will click on this pencil icon now, you will see. So once you click on it, it will start generating, like it will start reading your blog post like this. So to identify key phrases where it will insert the link. So the features have generated the links, has entered all the links. As you can see, I have this one here, I have this one right here, another one is placed here. Let me check the back section. Another one is placed here, as you can see. So this is exactly how this feature work, and it is very good. Now let's publish the post and see where the links will take us to. Actually, the links will take us to Google search, where more explanation is made on that specific phrase. Now let's click on this one, jump office. So when I click on it, as you can see, it will take you to Google search, where more explanation is made on that specific phrase or on that specific keywords, as you can see. So that is that. So if you log into your Blogger account and you can't find this feature in the compose mode, here is what you will do. Just click on the three icon right here. Now click on settings and scroll down the settings to toggle on use Blogger draft. So once you toggle on use Blogger draft, your URL here will change. It will change to draft.blogger. Before it will be in blogger.com, but now it will change to draft.blogger. So this draft mode here is a better feature that lets you use a new feature that has recently been introduced to Blogger. So if the feature is not rolled out to everybody, but to some few people, you will be the first to use the features if you turn on the draft mode. I get the point. But if the draft mode is not turned on, the features will be available to you when it is rolled out to the general public. Are you getting the point now? So that is it about Google search link on Blogger. Did you get value from this video? If you get value, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop your opinion in the comment section. Thanks for watching.